Previously, we learned how to use the verb essere to say I am or she is. But how do we talk about objects? In English, a table is just it. Today, we are diving deep into masculine and feminine nouns. In Italian, every single noun, whether it's a person, a place, or a physical object, has a gender. This gender determines the articles and adjectives we use with it. Let's learn how to spot them easily. Section 1. Masculine nouns ending in O. In Italian, most nouns that end in the letter O are masculine. When you see an O at the end of a word, you can usually assume it is masculine. Repeat after Italo. Un ragazzo, un libro, un treno. See how they all end in O? These are our masculine building blocks. Section 2. Feminine nouns ending in A. Now let's talk about feminine nouns. Most nouns that end in the letter A are feminine. Repeat after Italo. Una ragazza, una casa, una mela. Pro tip: by just looking at these two ending letters, O and A, you can successfully identify the gender of about 80% of all Italian nouns. Section 3. The tricky E nouns. This is a part many students find confusing at first. Sometimes Italian nouns end in the letter E. These nouns can be masculine or feminine. Italo says, don't panic. You just have to learn these words together with their articles. Repeat after Italo. Il cane, the dog, masculine. La notte, the night, feminine. Il sole, the sun, masculine. La chiave, the key, feminine. Section 4. Comparison practice. Let's compare how the gender changes the ending of words for people and animals. Listen closely. Il gatto, the male cat. La gatta, the female cat. Il maestro, the male teacher. La maestra, the female teacher. Practice section. Level up. Let's test your brain. I will give you a noun. You decide, is it masculine or feminine? Number 1. Pizza. The answer is feminine. It ends in A. Number 2. Tavolo. The answer is masculine. It ends in O. Number 3. Classe. The answer is feminine. La classe ends in E and is feminine. Number 4. Telefono. The answer is masculine. It ends in O. You did it. You have unlocked the secret of Italian nouns. Homework time. I want you to write 2 Italian nouns in the comments. 1 masculine noun ending in O and 1 feminine noun ending in A. I will check your work. If this video helped you, please click the like button and share it with a friend who is starting to learn Italian. Lesson 3 quiz. Which of these Italian nouns is masculine? A. Pizza. B. Penna. C. Libro.
Leave your answer to the quiz in the comments below. Next time, we will learn how to use articles, how to choose between il, lo, and la so you can start saying the like a native speaker. See you in the next lesson. Ciao!